Hey gang, it's Ryan from Skid Steer Nation. Today we've got a novice skid steer operator operating a Dumore skid steer grader for the first time. He's never used one of these before. He's got the skid steer more for his business and a little bit of work around the house. So he's not a contractor, he does not do this every day. We've been out here, he's been grading this driveway that you can see for about 5 or 7 minutes, and he's making quite a nice, some really nice progress with it. You know, there's a few unique features about the SSHA Grader. Is one, the blades only hang down about 3/4 to 7/8 of an inch below the skid shoes. So what that allows you to do is make shorter cuts so you don't gouge out roadways, overfill the box so the skid steer can't handle it, and you really can't make a mistake. It's not gonna dig too deep. You are able to tilt the front or the back of the grader up or down a little bit in order to make that blade roll and dig a little bit deeper. But typically we do about 3/4, 7/8 of an inch per pass. The material gets loosened up. You make a second pass, you're able to grade a little deeper. When we do get in some of those deeper potholes, I'll just sit there and work it just in that one area back and forth to get all that dug out, so we're not just filling in that hole with loose material.